Hello people, I forgot that I had a YouTube channel and Glitch Productions has a frickin' another series or other people posting stuff on their channel. I'm already 8 minutes in, but it's only 8 minutes, you know? Oh, that's my favorite part is this one.
Back to the game world. Find out who
Oh, not this one.
You're talking about stopping the win condition. Usually, there's a hero and
You know, let's just start over. Yeah, so they posted this 13 hours ago. And I'm confused, are they in a game or are they not in a game?
This village is our home. And we'll protect it. Together.
Wondering who these robot people are. They look like evil versions of those guys. I don't know what's going on over here. They run away. And yeah, I'm guessing they're evil versions of those guys. A cool fact, that guy's on his shoulder. I'm a little sick. I'm basically sick in every video. Well, most of my videos. And also, Coffee Dude, if you're watching this, you still have to make that Paper Ninja store, please. Now, looks like they defeated those people. Yeah. Yeah, they look good.
We did it. We won.
Yeah, then this happens. Yeah, don't worry. No. No, I'm guessing they're in a game or something.
We beat him, didn't we?
I don't... The village!
And also, what's that guy's name? Duck in it. Wait.
Accident
This
lawyer
dude.
in Ohio, whose name is Tim Misney, and it's gotten to the point.
Village!
Is this dude, the rock guy. So yeah. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if they're in a game or something. I don't really know if someone's playing the game or not, and I don't know who Dishman is. He's just a chicken. Gameverse. Yeah, that's what the series is called. If you want to check out Glitch's new season. And it's a flipping dream.
Same dream.
Approaching unknown planet.
Well, I guess it explains why you want to save every useless game character.
Big deal, Caboodle.
Yeah, you
Oh, he can't hear me. He's too busy learning.
Gobble, knowledge with Gobbles and friends. Cat. Meow. Very good.
This is one of my
I would
favorite
have left them for
parts.
dead.
What's the point of doing any of this if we can't save everyone we can?
Listen, kid, nobody's getting saved now that Dusk is punishing you with this boring recon mission.
For your information and Dusk's, Gobbles is
Wait.
useless. He is. We can.
Listen,
Dude, the flipping wheel is a controller. That's cool. That
kid, nobody's getting saved now that Dusk is punishing you with this boring
I did
recon
not notice
mission.
that.
For your information and Dusk's, Gobbles isn't useless. He is a Learnosaurus, and he is very good at reading and writing.
Ray, maybe he
I'm
can
pretty
write
sure
our
he's
obituaries
useless.
after he gets us both killed.
I get it.
Yeah, you get it. Think a T-Rex named Gobbles would, like, eat everything in sight, you know? Has some big-ass mouth and razor-sharp teeth. He's pink, kid.
Oh my god, Caboodle. He's magenta.
I'm just saying. Maybe Dusk is right. It's clouding your judgment. Sometimes doing the mission the right way can save more lives in the long run.
That dinosaur
Hey,
does not look
Gobbles.
bit
You doing okay back
magenta.
here?
Oh, yes, just learning.
He has a freaking tie. Watching this
Guess I'm just a little
this
nervous.
scene is.
Ooh.
Don't worry. It's gonna be fine. This is a total routine
I did
recon mission.
not know he has a tie.
Yeah.
Unless the Syntax show up, then you'll probably die.
Caboodle!
What? Look at him.
Don't listen to him. The Syntax don't come around these parts.
Listen to
We're just
him.
gonna check the game world, find out who the hero and the villain are, and report back to the Farcade.
I'm still confused. We're supposed to help the villain, right?
Oh, boy.
No.
You're talking about stopping the win condition. Usually, there's a hero and villain. And if the hero beats the villain on their game world, well,
Kaboom!
Hero wins, you lose.
right.
Hey, I don't make the rules.
So, we just have to keep the hero from beating the bad guy, right?
Dang, what can't you learn? Whoa.
Not this time, Gobbles.
Me
No
confused.
conflict. Nobody to save. Just recon. Boring recon.
Incoming ship
What is
detected.
recon?
Anymore.
Ship
Syntax?
Syntax!
Syntax.
Syntax. And this is all 2D, by the way. I haven't seen 2D animation since yesterday.
Oh, would you look at this? A Farcade recon ship right in our path.
How'd you even see that?
Is there a problem?
No.
There's a Farcade recon ship in
This guy's cool. Mr. Grey Dude. Yeah, he cool.
our way, sir.
So is it a problem or not?
Yes! As long as it doesn't get to the game world, we're fine.
It's heading for the game world.
What? Do not let them on the planet. Do you hear me? Clean that up.
What do you mean? You did it! Oh, is he eating it? He's garbage goober from, what's it called? Rick and Morty.
One shot, one kill.
Serious? The emergency shields aren't working. Kid, hop up here. I gotta see what's wrong. If we get hit even once without shields, we're floating.
My favorite part's coming up.
Do you need help? Maybe a song to help you focus. Do you know Hickory Dickory Dock?
Can you hickory dickory shut the hell up? Unless you can get the textile density on some of these assets to match the scale topography by freeing up some resources much faster than it would take to pre-make the different LODs because we are out of time on that option.
Okay, I'll just sit over here.
I don't know why they bringing him.
Hey guys, do you like Disney
Oh,
Plus?
come on.
Whoa! Good.
If you're having trouble, shoot where they're going instead of where they are. If you're having trouble,
There.
Did you fix it?
Yep.
Dude.
Dog. Whoa! Good.
if you're having trouble, shoot where they're going instead of where they are. If you're having trouble,
He has so much funny scenes in this.
There.
Did you fix it?
Yep.
Wait, I want to see this in slow motion.
If you're having trouble, shoot where they're going instead of where they are. If you're having trouble...
No, I don't want to listen to you.
Yep.
That's just funny. 10, yeah.
Holy crap,
And he just stays in that pose. I wonder if we'll see him again. Probably, yeah.
Shields activated.
Dude.
Oh no, you just did the one thing I told you not to do!
Did you tell
You
him?
said, don't let them...
Don't let them on the planet, correct!
Oof.
Yeah, big oof fool! I've looked all over for a suitable game world to train our new recruit.
Oh, for that guy?
Say you're sorry.
I'm sorry, Crab Girl.
Oh, Crab Girl.
So, you want me to go down to the planet instead? Or...
Yes!
Shall I accompany him, sir, to make sure he doesn't mess up again?
What?
Great idea, misinformation. Arcade
Yeah.
would make it a lot more difficult to complete the game world.
You want us to do a full harvest mission?
Yes, dum-dum. We might as well make this little nuisance useful to us. Find the hero, help him beat the villain, and complete the game. I can't train Crab Girl over here. At least we can gather the planet's float when it explodes.
Oh, yeah, I'm Crab Girl.
Somebody clean that up! Now get out of here, you two. Make sure we can harvest that. Stop! And now everyone's gonna think I didn't fix the shields.
Yeah, yeah, that bird,
Yeah, hide behind your
that
stupid
bird,
game
right,
system
dude.
lock. If we were outside this world, I'd end you. Good thing you can't understand me, or we'd be screwed. Well, I guess I gotta swim back. You gonna hang around the whole time, or what? Is it bad?
No, nice, it's not bad at all. Cause you think it's
Estimated
bad?
time remaining for self-repair. A 1.
No.
Out.
Well, it's not good.
So what now?
What do you mean? It's alright.
The Syntax are following us to the game world. I saw Caboodle fall toward the planet. We have to find him before they do.
Shouldn't we try to find out who the hero is, or the villain of this
Okay.
game world, since the Syntax are here?
These
They're after
other
us,
things
Gobbles.
that
If
I
they find
don't
Caboodle
know.
first, I can't let that happen. I have to find him.
Right.
Why does this sound familiar? Look at Jolly Good Guy. He's the secret villain.
Of course, but the planet will explode if we don't.
I'm not losing him too, Gobbles.
Who's him? Oh, Little Rock Dude. How can...
Thanks.
So you can just basically
Sorry, Gobbles.
have
But look,
unlimited
I've been on a
juice,
ton of these
or
missions
can you
before.
just fun
The
and
hero is probably
food?
off doing some useless side
Like
quest. It takes
actually.
ages for them to even get to the villain. Come on, it'll be fine.
You don't have swimsuit. Shark.
Kid, wait! Oh, jeez. Come on, Gobbles. Kid wouldn't hesitate.
Yeah, come on. Oh, he is a paper thing. Why do you have multi of them? Dude. What the
That's
heck?
a Farcade agent.
Don't underestimate them!
Yeah, don't underestimate my Jolly Good Guy. This guy ain't the good person. He has all the powers. He the best person.
Huh.
What the?
The
Title
title's
screen!
That has to be the
Oh.
name of the world's hero.
Probably didn't even see it before they jumped in.
Idiots. Let's go take care of them and then find Flappers.
What is that? A submarine? Oh yeah, it is some stuff. What happened to the shark?
Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
What is it?
Shark. Hello,
Your
me.
friends?
Dolphin. Good.
All right. Let's
Why
kill
ye
them.
Here we
laugh?
go. Wait!
Wait, what?
Ah,
Wait.
What are you doing?
We can't rush them.
So
That's
you
it.
are a piece of paper, and you
the
can
fat dinosaur.
Change your plan. We can't beat these two.
What? Then what do you propose we
that
do?
Find
dinosaur.
Flappers as soon as possible, before they do. My name is Flappers!
Flappers.
Oh, wait.
Our little backpack friend is missing.
Hi, Flappers. I'm Gobbles. This is Kit.
Hello.
Wow, new friends!
Say,
Wait,
Flappers,
is
have you seen a
is
little
Kit
shiny
a human or
urchin
a
around
cat?
with little legs and arms and a big urchin eye, and he's a dick?
Can't say that I have,
Hmm.
but maybe someone in Coral Reef City has.
I'm pretty sure you ate him.
Hey, Kit, do you think this guy could be the hero?
No way, Gobbles. He's way too helpful. He's got background character vibes.
I've never kissed a girl dolphin before.
What?
What?
Sharing secrets. That's what friends do. I'll take you into town. Grab on.
Oh, he's so freaking fast! Let's go!
On.
Oh, he's so
Wow.
freaking fast! Let's go!
Go. Doo-ba-doo-doo-ba-doo-doo-doo-doo. Shark.
You just shut me up like a freak. I could have barbs, quills. If I'm poison, huh? You ever think of that? If I'm poison, I could be poison. Idiot.
You are bloody annoying!
Thank you. So what's your
Yeah.
deal, huh? You don't look like the hero type.
Hero? I'd never be anything like Flappers the Super Dolphin.
Is he, your ex-nemesis or something?
Let's just say, everywhere Snappers the Sea Scourge goes,
What?
That's me. Noted.
Flappers is always in his bloody way.
Oh, man, today is your lucky day. I'm gonna teach you how to beat that. What'd you say, it was a dolphin?
That's right.
And you're a huge shark.
Huge!
All right, we'll figure something out.
X, Y, and Z! Well,
So
here we
the
are.
dolphin
Coral
is
Reef
the main
City.
character. Flippers. Flappers.
Just like...
That's what.
Go ahead and ask around. Everyone here is real friendly. They're like my family. I don't know what I'd do without them.
Thanks, Flappers.
No, thank you for teaching me
Yeah,
all
it
the
really
letters.
seems
Now
like
I
the
can-
main
what did you call
character.
it? Read?
It's no problem, Flappers. You were nice enough to help us. And yeah, it's called reading.
Well, I got some
Reading.
errands to run. Hope I get to read something really fun. I'll be back in a jiffy. Bye!
Why does it sound like a... It sounds familiar. I'll be back in a jiffy. Like it sounds like a... Sounds like a YouTuber.
Errands? Would a background character run errands? Kid?
Kit.
Hey, Kid. I made a pizza. You want a slice?
What's going on?
Kid!
What happened?
Oh, hi, Gobbles. Where'd Flappers go?
That's what I've been saying. He went to go run errands. Doesn't that seem weird?
Nothing weird about getting things done, Gobbles. Come on, let's go.
What do you mean? Where did she go? Oh,
This
that's
is
the dolphin.
perfect.
Oh,
After
the
he
dolphin
drops off
is
those
main character.
losers, Flappers will be here any minute.
Let's post you up so he can find you.
Dude,
Take next time. He's here.
where'd dude go? What the heck?
Do the floaties have any info yet?
Nom nom. They seem like they're having fun.
Research complete.
Got it.
Wait. Take me, I'm a...
A sign to read. A smaller paper sign to read.
Take
Here goes
me,
nothing.
I'm
Uh,
imaginary.
Oh no! Sorry, Mr. Paper. Oh, don't worry about me. That's me. I'm Mr. Paper. Wow, I've never met a talking paper before. Today's your lucky day. I'm gonna teach you how to beat that Remington. Who's that?
Dolphin, one of my favorites.
Never mind. Let's go.
It's okay. Thanks anyway.
Hey,
It really
mister,
sounds
wanna play
like-
soccer? I'll be the ball. Get me, get me.
No thanks.
Just wait, just wait. Hey, you want a muffin or something? Eat me. Or something.
Maybe later. Hey, can you tell me if there's, like, someone really heroic you know of?
Oh yeah, Flappers. They don't call him the Super Dolphin for nothing.
Did you just say Flappers is a hero?
And a super dolphin?
Well, I did say both of those things. Wanna play soccer?
No, I don't want to play soccer!
Now that you've finally made it to me, Crabbington. I'll take you out with my invincible Krabby Tank. That's right. Not only are you going to perish, but your precious coral reef city will... Excuse me? You can just throw your little black balls now? Oh, well, yes. Take this.
Oh, dude, what the?
I'm both upset and impressed. Thanks, Mr. Paper. Ow!
Crabbington is dead.
Oh?
Lapis has never gotten this far before.
Oh, no.
I
That means the
guess so.
simpleton has help. All right, we gotta kick this up a notch, Snappers. You're so useless, and we got You can spit fireballs.
Yeah?
You didn't think that was important to tell me?
I don't see what the big deal is.
Oh, my God.
Don't let him out of our sight. We have to make sure.
That just.
Let him out of our sight. We have to make sure.
Wow, what an adventure I just went on. I can't wait.
Flappers, why don't you hang around with us for a while? Help us find Caboodle. You must need a little break from doing all this adventuring.
Oh, no can
Yeah.
do, kid. I just made a new friend who's been helping me on my journey. See? Say hi, Mr. Paper.
Paper.
He's just a little shy. Anywho, he's been giving me instructions on how to beat Snapper's mini-bosses. I'll be taking down my arch-nemesis in no time. Then I'll come back and help you find your Frankie Doodle. Hey, what are you doing?
Flappers, please. You have to give us that paper.
Give you Mr. Paper, but
Yeah.
he's my friend.
I know it sounds weird, but we have to... Oh, man, I wish I could just tell you.
I gotta do this. Sorry, y'all. Snapper's been
Dude.
terrorizing my village for too long.
Just give me Mr. Paper, Mr. Paper. Mr. Paper, the Mr. Paper villain.
And this is my chance.
If you beat Snappers and win the game, this whole world is going to explode.
Oh. What's going on?
Kid, what are you doing? You can't tell characters about the Gameverse?
I have to.
Are you crazy? That it? Really? If the planet finds us, we'll all be float. Hang on there.
How many things are there? Oh.
Whoa, careful.
What the? Okay.
You're nothing without your little backpack friend, aren't you?
How would you know?
Oh my gosh, it's almost found us.
Oh no, this is it. Now you've done it. We're all gonna die.
Dude. You know whose fault this is? I blame it on a rock.
Oh my gosh, it's almost found us.
Oh no, this is it. Now you've done
Yeah.
it. We're all gonna die.
How you know? What the?
No! Finally take him out. Travis, they're trying to steal me. Run! Run for it! What? I can't believe it. Thanks, Mr.
No.
Paper. You're my true
No.
No!
No! What the? Oh my god! This is all my
Wait,
fault.
I think I understand it now. Either the main character dies, game over, and if you defeat the boss, the game shuts down because your quest is already done. That's what I think. And she defeated her boss, her final boss, and her game went kaboom boom. And yeah.
I can't believe another world is going to die because of me.
It's not over yet, kid.
Gobbles, I'm sorry. I should have listened to you.
Was
Kid,
Gobble
it's okay.
I was just
the
so
main
caught
character
up.
too?
Kid, listen. I know you're dealing with a lot, but I'm here. We're here. Together. There's still so much we can do. You're too hard on yourself, kid. None of this is your fault. None of anything you ever did is your
Yeah.
fault. All you ever wanted to do was save people.
Seems like
well,
the
there's still time.
background.
We can still do something.
How?
Flappers gave us the name of his arch nemesis, Snappers. He still has some mini bosses to beat, and I'm sure we can find out where Snappers is and beat him there.
Yeah.
That could work.
So let's go.
Yeah.
How did you get like this?
Get like what?
I don't know. Courageous? Uplifting? You were so nervous before.
I'm a Lernosaurus, kid. That's what I do. I learn from the world around me, from Flappers.
All this character needs is just wait, let me find a different black. Is a top hat and a coat with cigarettes. Yeah. Then the character would be
And
Peach.
from you.
Let's go save the world.
Light bulb. Dude. No. Dude, the penguin has muscles.
Whoa, Sharkano.
Oh, for crying out loud, Snappers.
That's Caboodle. Let's go.
Caboodle?
How is your aim this bad?
Who dares into my lair?
Come on, Snappers. Do that for the real enemies. All right, let's get it. Kid?
Who dares
Oh,
into
that's
my
Caboodle.
lair?
No.
Oh, then win.
That's Caboodle. So, Little Rock
Have you been
Guy
here this whole time?
Yeah,
Flash.
basically. I figure if I
is
can't find you, I
Caboodle.
might as well train the arch nemesis over
Kill
here.
him.
Whoa! Nice shot, by the way.
Thank you.
A floaty.
Wait, you mean they followed you?
Yeah, and it gets worse. They found.
What?
Snappers! Flappers the Super Dolphin has arrived!
Who dares into my lair?
It's me, Flappers, the Super Dolphin. Kit and Gobbles? Mr. Paper was right. You were working with Snappers all along.
I'm sorry, Flappers. I know it sounds weird, but we're trying to help.
Opera Browser
Yeah,
has just
they
had
trying
a
to. Oh, calm down.
Snappers all along.
I'm sorry, Flappers. I know it sounds
Yeah.
weird, but we're trying to help.
Mr. Paper! Yes, it is I, Mr. Paper. Anyway, don't listen to these traitors. Just follow the plan and take out Snappers.
We've seen everything you've done to train Snappers, Farcade.
I
There's
guess
no
so.
way Flappers will lose.
Who's Flappers? Oh, that's Flappers.
I won't let you do this, Syntax scum.
Oh, calm down. Flip on. Yeah.
Backpack!
Flat.
You didn't tell me the backpack was the one training Snappers.
He's a backpack?
You're damn
His
right.
backpack. You dang. Are those?
Get Snappers! Right! I've waited 20 years to give you a bond!
Flappers, no!
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. This is so funny. Uh-oh. Huh? This weird. Shouldn't they change their uniform because they're not... Are they still underwater? Yeah, I'm guessing so. Shoot fire, shoot fire, shoot... Yes! Good job, good job. If glitch protection makes another game, I want the game to be this. Oh, no, that is glitch. Oh. Fluffy. Ooh. Main character actually have main character powers. Oh no. Who's gonna win?
This is it, Snappers.
Snappers. Oh, what the? What the heck?
Hooray for Flappers!
You did wrong, idiot.
Good job, idiot! Enjoy dying, big head!
You're not freeing him. He's better than the dinosaur.
What's happening? Did I win?
Got That's the problem, you stupid swolefin!
Flappers, listen to me. I know it doesn't make much sense, but you have to come with us. Your world, it's...
But the village, my friends.
I'm sorry,
They
Flappers.
dead.
There's nothing you can do. I wish there was.
Please, Flappers, we're all done for if you don't swim us to the surface. We can save you, so maybe you can save others.
Yeah.
Tick-tock, fish nuts!
Do this?
What?
Is it my fault?
No. No.
Flappers,
No, 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 no.
you did what you thought was right. That's not your fault.
Yeah, so I am right.
Hang on!
Flapper just dies when he gets to the top of the ocean.
Repair incomplete.
Yay!
I'm sorry, y'all. That's all I've got.
Oh no!
Flappers,
Kid,
what?
we got this!
Dora the Explorer! Armor. Dun dun dun. What are those miniguns? Dude, shark, dolphin just died. No, don't. No, don't. Bring the. What the heck is it called? Bring the bird. Bird, come on, follow them. Yes. Yes. Dude, if the bird's not in there, I'm gonna crash. Okay, the bird made it. Patrick Classine. Bye bye people, you go bye bye. All your hard work was nothing. Main character do everything. Kaboom. Just as all his hard work goes.
My home.
Dude, you got the next best. You got the
I'm
next
sorry, Flappers.
best
I know it's
thing. A
hard.
bird.
All of our worlds.
Where's the bird? No, 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 no. I saw the bird go in the ship. Where is he? Yes! The best character is the
Incoming
bird.
ship detected. Incoming ship detected. Incoming ship detected.
Ah, flip me. Don't bring the bird with you, please. Wait, was that thing a main character?
The game world and destroying the Farcade. Of course. Well, no matter. We can harvest the planet's fruit without any interference.
Oh no, that crab thing was a villain or something.
What the hell is going on? Where's my Sharkano? Quiet, Shark, and listen. Look out there. The rules of the Gameverse are cruel and unfair. With the float we absorb from planets like yours, we can change those rules and bring back all that we've lost. Join us.
Dude, please.
The only thing you've lost is your bloody mind.
Yes, British Shark. British Shark? Okay, British Shark. No! British Shark, no! Wait, no! Why you do that to British Shark?
Just get your revenge after all.
Or Shark's British. You thought? That then? Yeah, that's the end. Did they already make toys of this? Oh my god, they no. Okay. So in store they have this cat. And this guy, I might buy this guy. Just might. But I'm definitely... I'll definitely buy this guy. Now let's see what the mini figures are, or whatever. So they got So they got that dude, that guy. They have Silly Dolphin. Where's the best character? Where's the bird? They don't have the bird. Don't buy that if they don't have bird. So they got this. I don't know what they could have done. They could have put a bird, like, somewhere right here, or somewhere. I want the bird. They don't have the bird. I don't want... Look, the penguin dude, it's okay. It's okay. I want the bird. Just replace it with the bird. I'll definitely buy... You know... There's only one thing that I would buy this. But I want the stupid bird. Videos.
Here's about the game.
Where they're going instead of where they are. If you're having trouble,
You know, I'll say this one then.
Yep.
Come on, let's go.
you beat
Snappers has been terrorizing my village for too long, and this is my chance to be
No, I wanna see bird.
But look,
Fine.
I don't care.
Make sure we can harvest them. Stop! And now everyone's gonna think I didn't fix the shields.
No, the best thing.
Oh yeah, I'll grab her. Somebody clean that up. Make sure we can harvest them. Stop! And now everyone's gonna think I didn't fix the
Wait, actually, they could have done this. They could have had the bird with this guy. What the heck? Oh my god. This is peak. If you want to, you can go watch it. Like, support these guys. Like, I want to see more of this guy. This guy the best. You know? So yeah. Yeah. Go see this bird. The only reason you should watch the video for the bird.